Hello friends, I cannot believe I'm saying this, but I'm going to the airport in an hour and I'm flying to Taipei. If you watched my recent preparing for Taipei video, you would know that this is the first time where I don't feel as ready and excited for a semester as I would like to, or as I've done previously. I feel a little bit burnt out. I feel a little bit ready to have a stable life and create a home somewhere that lasts for more than 4 months. But hey ho, we're here to embrace the experience, and I am so certain that Taipei is going to be amazing. I'm so ready for the city to embrace me and for the universe to give me what I need this term. It's going to be a good one. Let's go. Every single time, this is such a nightmare, trying to pack my whole life into this and this.
The first is vermicelli, the second is just like normal noodles, the third one is like more like instant ramen.
And she is amazing. Otherwise, how would I know what to get? Wow, this thing is amazing. Oh wow. Good morning guys, from Taipei. I can't believe I'm here. This is crazy. I just woke up about 20 minutes ago. It's coming to 9 AM and considering I'm 8 hours ahead from the UK, I don't feel that jet lagged. I went to sleep at about 2 because of setting up and having a late dinner and finishing some YouTube stuff, but I do feel well rested, and our room has so much natural light from the park, which is honestly a blessing. It's a tiny room with a bunk bed. It is definitely a downgrade from basically having a penthouse in Buenos Aires. I feel very humbled again. It's not really giving. The room's not giving, I'm not gonna lie. It's very sterile white lighting. There's just not a lot of room. We don't have an ensuite, we don't have a kitchen, we have shared everything, shared showers, shared facilities, which is not the most ideal thing in the world, but it's fine. I'm sharing the room with Fong, who I also shared a room with in first year and in Buenos Aires, and I just love living with her, so I know that we can make this a cozy little nook. And as I say, we've got the fresh air, we've got the greenery, we've got the light, so yes, it's gonna be good. But maybe I'll give you a quick room tour. We don't have hangers yet, so you're gonna have to ignore how messy this looks. But here I've just chucked some stuff. I need to find places for it. But we have this space. Unfortunately right now we're thinking we have to put our suitcases here because there just really isn't space, but it looks very ugly. Here we have 2 desks with storage bits. Here we have some storage as well. Here we have a beautiful view of the park. We have a fridge and a freezer, and then we have this bunk bed. And I was laughing yesterday because this is my bed up here. It literally feels like a cot. It literally feels like I'm a little baby who's gonna fall out at night. I'm really on my health kick for the new year, so I just did my meditation, my 10 minutes on waking up, and I've also been taking AG1, which is athletics greens. I don't know if you've heard of it. I've been wanting to try it for ages, and my mum got it for me for Christmas, so it's not sponsored or anything. I've just heard amazing things about the health benefits, and it's a supplement that you take every day and you drink it, and so far I've been very good in the new year, so I thought I'd keep that habit up. And then I've also got some porridge from home. I had to. And this is very easy to make. I can just add some boiling water, so it's a good easy breakfast. But first, before I do anything, I am gonna go up to the rooftop and do yoga. I feel so stiff from the flight, so I think it's time. And then one of my best friends, Marsha, is gonna take me and Fong to get SIM cards and just set up our lives, maybe buy some things for the room, buy towels. And then this afternoon we are going to our partner university, National Taiwan University, to learn about the courses that we're gonna take in their campus, to meet students, learn about the extracurriculars. Yeah, so it's kind of a full-on day. But here we are, welcome to Taiwan. Guys, I actually cannot. I love my roommate. I can see her jogging around the park. This is the good influence I need in my life. Oh my god, stop it. This is so cute. What? Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna do yoga right here. Wow. Look at the views. Life is so good. Love to see the soy milk options, translated by Anchi. A pedal? Yes! Do they sell them here? There's bubble tea in Taiwan.
This is why today I'm going to give you this orientation so that you know more about the foundation of Taiwan University and Taiwan and Taipei, right? So
break up because the president doesn't wish to see his students wasting time in a relationship.
Okay, yeah, the best get more fish. Yes. And raincoat. You know too much.
Hello, sweet humans. Okay, so it is my second day in Taiwan, and how has so much happened? I went to bed yesterday at 2 a.m. because I was speaking to my roommate Fong until 2 a.m. Just catching her up on my Christmas and my life and my heavy emotions from the Christmas period and how I was processing that. And she was just sharing very vulnerably about things she's been going through with her family recently, and I think we can just relate a lot to the stage of life that we're both in and the growth that we're undergoing in trying to handle it in a mature way. So that was a really cool conversation. But also, as I was going to sleep, I was like, how has it only been like 24 hours? Since getting to Taiwan, I went for the whole hotpot meal, set up my room, unpacked, explored loads of the areas, did the whole orientation at NTU, National Taiwan University, then had Minerva Feast, which is like this grand event where we went to this amazing restaurant. The whole university gathers, all the staff come, there's speeches, and I just feel so good. I love this environment of people. I'm absolutely obsessed with this community and how they make me feel. Also, NTU, the university. This is the first time during my whole degree that I can have a very normal university experience here if I want to, because Minerva is partnered with the university, so we have access to their campus, all the in-person courses, the sports facilities, the everything you can think of, the main library, the study rooms. Like, I am a student at NTU. And it was so weird because my whole degree, I've never had that. Like, I've never had an orientation with someone giving you a tour of the university, because the city is normally my campus and I normally have to figure out literally bloody everything on my own, like where to study and where to do sports. And I felt so inspired. I was like, wow, like there's so much I can do here, so many friends that I can make. And we have to do one mandatory course at NTU out of these 6 courses. and they are so exciting. I want to do all 6. It's things like the art of tea making in Taiwan, and it's like a 20-hour course across the semester where you learn about the history of tea culture, you learn how to make tea, they'll even take you to tea fields, you learn folklore songs in Mandarin that are traditionally practiced when drinking tea. There's another course which is temples, and they take you to different temples across the semester. You learn a lot about Buddhism, traditional stories within Buddhism. You get to meet a lot of different practitioners. I'm like, what a cool course. But the one that I am most interested in taking right now is about forestry, and in particular forestry methods for healing agricultural spaces. It's basically like the biology course that I always wanted to take if I did a normal biology degree and just have never really had the chance to. So I'm hyped. There's like a whole ecological reserve that the university just owns. So I'm like, I just can't wait. The room is tiny, but it's cozy and it's growing on me, and I love my desk and my little perch looking out into the greenery. Today I just hiked the mountain next to us casually, looked over at the views of Taipei as you do, and I've just been working. I've been studying, I've been revising my script for my episode of this amazing podcast called Meditative Story. I've been working on my episode for them since the middle of last semester, so when that episode is out I'll let you know, but I'm very excited for it. Soon I'm gonna go to the river with my friend Marsha, and then me and Fong are gonna go for dinner tonight, and then I've just got to get studying and keep setting up. I need to buy a towel. Shopping trip. I just got some cash from the ATM, picked up some cute snacks from the corner shop, and I bought lots of storage items and a towel from IKEA, so it's a setup day. A casual view from the shopping mall. Hello dear friends, and welcome to my haul. So today I finally went to IKEA and just got some mini setup things for the room, got some plants, you know, just the essentials. And I always find this such a hard task because I only live here for 4 months, so I don't want to heavily invest in things for the space, but at the same time it's so important that it feels like at home, and I think that's something that really creates this feeling of a safe space in amongst, you know, the culture shock of being somewhere brand new. And it's always my goal to befriend people in the city so I can give them my plants at the end of the semester. I'm gonna show you what I got. So Fong is the best plant mum ever, so I got these 2 little babies that are so cheap. I know she's gonna help me take very good care of these. And we have enough light in the room, which is good. So we actually share communal bathrooms and communal showers with the whole floor, hostel style, like 25, 30 people even. So we don't have a mirror in our room, and it's just a bit annoying to always have to go there to do skincare and stuff. So I found this mirror panel for the equivalent of £1. It was like £1.50, it's nothing. So this will do the job. Put that on the wall. I got myself this Tupperware so that, you know, any leftover food, anything I make, I can keep in here and keep in the fridge. I got 4 storage containers. So this one is gonna go under my bed with some of my filming equipment because I just have so many things. And then these are gonna help organize my drawers. So like underwear, socks. I bought this cute thing so that I can put my key card in it so that I never forget where it is, and I can like hang it up on there. I got a lint roller for my clothes, which is something that I've never had ever, but I always feel like I should use. Honestly, this was a bit of an impulse purchase. I saw it and I was like, yeah, my clothes are actually bobbly. Maybe I should sort that out. I got 2 pairs of socks because I realised that I packed only 2 pairs for the whole semester, which is not enough. I bought us a bin, and I got this really cute one from Daiso. It's Winnie the Pooh. I'm a fan. We need a bin, so does the job. I bought myself a towel, a nice one, and I also got a face towel because I have to always shower in the communal bathroom and I often have to like put my towel down and stuff, so I don't like the idea of this one being used for my face because I have acne that I'm trying to get rid of, so that would be a step in the wrong direction to use a dirty towel. And then I got command strips so that I can hang up photos and try and decorate this white wall, and I also got a candle, which I don't even know if we're allowed to burn, to be honest. I think this was another impulse purchase, but it smells nice and was really cheap. So, and to finish it all off, I went and bought myself, of course, the plant-based hot dog and meatballs from IKEA. But then on the street, I found these cabbage dumplings. So I'm gonna eat these now and unpack the stuff. I need music. This was one of my best purchases of 2022. It's a JBL speaker, but you can clip it onto stuff. So I can clip it on here and it'll hang and play music. And I can clip it to my bag when I'm outside or cycling. It is such a good purchase. Can we just appreciate what a difference this has made to the room? It's like a glowing mushroom. It's so cute. Hi guys, so it's now 11 p.m. I'm so tired. I just spent the last 2.5 hours doing one of the most exciting things of my career. I just recorded an episode for the podcast Meditative Story, which is a podcast that I can't describe how much I love it and what a valuable resource I think it is. They basically tell people with interesting stories in an immersive format with meditation moments and like audio and ambience made just for that story. And back in Buenos Aires, they reached out to me to tell a story from my life, and we've been writing this story since October. So it's crazy that today I got to record it, but because of the time difference I have to record it at my 10 p.m. so I'm just so tired because I had to be so hyped and so energetic. This is behind the scenes of being a student and a YouTuber. And also just Fong is the biggest queen ever. I love this girl to pieces. It's 11 p.m. and she had to stay outside of the room for 2 hours for me. That's friendship. Yeah, now I'm gonna go collapse and stop being perky. But when that episode comes out, I hope you enjoy it. I'm so proud of it. Also, you should know that behind the scenes, there's like a million background sounds of like, I'm recording this in a dorm, right? University dorm. So there's like people slamming doors, people moving chairs, people chatting in the corridor, random Taiwanese motorbikes going past, and having to like say the same line like 100 times again and again and again because of this environment. It's just a funny experience. My casual magic for tonight is this setup. I cannot describe how much joy this brings me. Just a candle and a lamp. So much joy.